Case 32, plaintiff Melinda, Lamp, represented by attorney Alexis Lick, sues defendant C.J. Rice, defended by Anne Marie McLaughlin.
My client Melinda Lamp should receive $15,000 for hospital bills due to taking pills made from the Quate company that resulted in severe health problems.
My client, the defendant, was falsely accused of distributing corruptive medicine to the plaintiff. Therefore, we request compensation of the court fees.
Alright, Hyde, how was Melinda acting when she got to your house?
Man, she was straight tripping on drugs, man.
Is this her normal behavior?
Well, she is a little crazy, but, she definitely wasn't normal at this time being, man. She looked like she was a little loco.
Okay, Dr. Hootenheimer, have you ever had any previous patients that had the same reaction to the drugs?
No, she is the only patient I've had that has had this reaction.
Alright, and did she have anything in her system besides the normal intake of the drug?
Yeah, there was a huge quantity of the Equate painkillers in her system.
Alright.
Dr. Hootenheimer, what was Melinda's diagnosis?
She was diagnosed with a drug overdose.
How many painkillers did you find in her system?
There were 10 Equate painkillers in her system.
Alright.
Okay, Hyde, what is your relationship with the plaintiff?
I don't know her at all, man. She just kind of showed up at my house, knocking on my door and, asking me if I was at the hospital, man.
Alright, and did you see how many pills that she took?
No way, man, but the way she was acting, she definitely took more than she should have, man.
So, Larry the lab worker, I understand you work at Equate Laboratories, right?
That's correct.
Alright, Larry. So, while you were testing the drugs, did you notice any malfunctions?
Nope, the drugs performed as usual and acted as they usually do. They didn't affect me or any other testers.
Okay, and is your research up to date on this drug?
Well, no. The last time we researched allergic reaction was about 6 months ago. And we usually keep up to date, but we've been so busy producing pills lately that we've been behind.
Okay, thank you.
Larry the lab worker, what is the recommended intake for this drug?
2 every 6 hours!
Are Melinda's side effects normal?
No. Through testing and experimenting, these side effects were not likely unless the person takes more than a recommended dose.
Alright.
So, Edna, the scientist who created these drugs, is there any unknown side effects?
No, all the side effects are listed are on the bottle.
Okay, and does the drug have any harmful substances?
It's been tested, and there are no harmful substances in the drug. When it was tested, it was fine.
Edna, have these drugs had any bad side effects?
No, they form normally except when taken in excessive amounts.
Have you tested these drugs completely?
Yes, we ran many tests, and they all came out back fine. Attorney's closing statements.
The judge should be in favor of my client because the defendant didn't label all the possible side effects.
The judge should be in favor of my client because the plaintiff is guilty of misusing the drugs.
The court rules in favor of Equate companies.
Order! They will take him away.
Come on. Going to jail today. Oh, my.
Hold on. Okay. Go.
Man, she was straight tripping on drugs, man.
Alright, and did you see how many pills that she took?
No way, man, but the way she was acting, she definitely took more than she should have, man.
Okay, we're done.
Alright, Melinda, what drugs did you take?
Painkillers.
How many did you take?
I don't do.
Okay, we gotta restart that. Alright, drugs did you take?
I took quite painkillers.
How many? How many did you take?
I took 2 every 5 minutes because of my pounded headache.
What were the side effects that you had after taking the pills?
I just started shaking and twitching and breaking out halves. So I went to my neighbor Hightails and asked for a ride to the hospital because I was tripping.